to say. Words are not enough to show you how I really feel.
Like using your gimbal and stuff like that. You can, you know, turn and stuff. And
Hi, I'm on my gimbal! I'm not into... Oh, yeah.
It stays as stable as possible. That's the consequence. So you won't, like, if you're walking, you won't shake up as much.
Yeah.
And all that. So you just keep it. And, you know, if it's drifting, you just tilt it a bit to the side, or, I mean, just control. And then if it's too far off, you can just press the trigger 2 times. And it sets, comes back around.
Put it back to me.
Sorry, so for instance, you're holding like that. Say it's like this. Alright, just hold that. Just press the button 2 times.
The back one?
Yeah, 1, 2.
Wait.
Simultaneously, so you pump. And you just wait, and it'll just come right
And
back
it
around.
find me back?
Exactly.
Oh, cool.
That's if it's drifting off and you want it to center off. Alright?
Okay.
So
so I have to navigate really slow.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see.
You give this guitar a little touch.
Oh, up. Oh.
Down.
Oh, wait. Which way? Oh, my corn. Oh, okay, I remember now. So, pulling it down, it goes up. Pulling it up, it goes down. And, wait. Oh, this way. Wait, okay, so left, go left. Oh, left, go right. And right, go left. Bloody hell, so it's not like car where right is right and left is left.
It's kind of different. I think it can remap it, I guess, but that takes... You have to get through the app. And then you can just
and then I can put
press
it down.
and just adjust it.
Oh, up. Wait. Oh, down is up. Okay. And up is down. Okay.
And you adjust it.
Wait. Down is up. Down is up. And left is right.
Yeah, so...
Alrighty.
And you adjust it, so that angle will stay, so it sits.
Yeah, but this is not. Wait. So how do I know if it's level? That is level?
Yeah, it's gonna always be level. Because that's what the gimbal is for. It's supposed to make sure at all times it's level.
Okay. Oh.
There you go.
Wait, did you get it to the Bluetooth?
No, this is just it working on its own.
On its own. Wait, let me see.
Thing works,
So what did it? Okay. Oh wait, did this thing do it? So
Yeah. So now it's straight. So the straight is like straight. So like that's
straight is like straight.
Straight to you like that.
Straight. Okay.
So yeah, but sometimes necessarily you don't have to be straight for you to video comfortable. So it works with you how you want it. So you just position how you want to position it, unless you're walking, and that helps you.
On the tutorial, oh wait, because it was to the Bluetooth. When she was on the beach, it followed her because she had it to the Bluetooth. My phone won't pick up the Bluetooth. I don't know why.
I'm working on that. So I'll see. I'm gonna figure out how to pick up like a tutorial that shows directly how to do that situation, and send you, and then you can just just watch it and do it. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, like stickers. These are stickers.
Where do they go? On the gimbal?
Anywhere, really. You can put it on anywhere. And then this pamphlet kind of shows you how to close it down properly.
Yeah, I saw it on the tutorial.
So you do that, and you can have a whole thing. So there you go. You have your whole thing.
Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. I got my gimbal. Oh, my hand is touching. I got my gimbal.
College, no one at my college was allowed to be out. It wasn't even like if they wanted.
I love my kitchen. Oh, look at that. I can get better angle. Wait. Why is it moving?
It's supposed to.
Oh, I'm moving.
I love myself for it. It's so cool. And I'm like jealous of that for my friends who like I don't have a single close friend who was part of the LGBT plus community who came out to me and it wasn't traumatic. Like every person.
Oh, cool. Wait, but I'm turning it, but it's not finding me. Oh, I have to let it. Oh, I'm not centered. Oh, I have to center it.
Yeah,
I have always centered it.
It moves, but slightly. So if you move too quick, so you gotta,
Oh yeah.
So it'll move,
it will move. But I have to center it to me to where I'm going.
So you center
Like
it first.
that way.
Alright, you center it first.
Alright.
And you try to keep your hand as centered as possible.
Right there.
This one is way more easier to use because it has more like dynamics.
Yours.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, he has a gimbal, and I go by the technical one that was supposed to be me, and that was and this technical one supposed to be him, because I am not a technician. I always end up getting the technical stuff.
Yours is pretty nice.
Loving and educated and open-minded and
So my mind is already like.
Oh.
so beautiful.
Oh wait. Yeah, this is gonna be really time consuming to learn to do. Wait.
I'm so happy that people can come out now and they're accepted and loved and like celebrated for like just being who they are.
Wrong
It
way.
makes me really.
Wrong
It sounds weird.
Wrong
Like
way,
I
wrong
said
way.
already. Like it makes
Yeah,
me
there's.
jealous.
Wrong way. Wait. Too much.
Up. Came out when it wasn't accepted.
Okay. Oh wait, I didn't put down my
So
stick.
grateful to be
Oh, you have a little
generation.
octopus stick.
Fought so hard.
So this can clamp onto something?
Could come out
Like
Yeah, I guess it's
octopus?
just, yeah.
I don't think people understand
Like a
now,
mini gorilla
newer
pod.
generations, how much people
I have
for
2,
them,
3
they
tripod
could be
with
unapologetically
octopus.
themselves. And I'm not saying there's
It's
no
in the
bullying
barrel.
with that stuff. There's so
Well, I
many
don't know if my
ways.
kids
Oh
said
God,
no,
there's
3, but
still so
I
much
bought a
bullying
pack of
and
3,
hatred
and
towards
she
that
was supposed to
community.
give her
I'm
sister
not
one
saying
and
that
take
there's
one and
not,
send
but
one
it
to me.
has
But I don't know if
improved so
she
much
did,
from where
because she
it
said
was. I know we have a
they're
long way to
small.
go.
I have the
It's
mini one,
because
she never
people
liked
went
it.
through so much. It's because my
So
friends
here's
like
my
Corey
quality.
were able to come out at a time where it was not okay to come out. It was not
That's
cool
your
to come out. It wasn't
quality?
trendy to come out. It was looked
think it's-
down upon. It was the
I go
opposite. It
like,
was bad to come out.
Are you
It
on
was
full?
hide it. It was go to therapy, get better, go to
I
conversion
do.
therapy, or get a counselor, or pray more. Something's wrong with you. I
What's
love you, but
promo?
it's a sin.
Promo,
So I
you
love
get
you,
all
but
these
you're still
little
disgusting
kind of
to me
features.
because people
Oh, I don't know if
in
you use
my
that, so
generation
I have to
and
be a
prior
pro
were
first
brave
before I
enough
can
to
do
come
it.
out
Oh,
of
that
these
makes
scary
it red.
situations and
Not
be
necessarily,
themselves.
you just
It's
have
me.
What
more.
ISO?
This current upcoming
Is it-
generation,
That looks like an iPhone
generations
thing.
past that to be
Yeah, no,
who
it's
they are
ISO is-
unapologetically,
And it shows you the volume of your
out,
voice.
because people
Yeah.
before them were afraid to come out, and you still did.
You can also
I don't
do
know.
like
I feel very like
use
emotional and like
certain camera.
grateful
I
that
use
I
all
get
the-
to watch the change happen,
microphones.
because I really didn't think because of
So
how
those
much
are some that
I
you're
saw
downloading
in
it,
my
or it's
lifetime
online?
towards that community.
It's
I
on
never
your-
thought I would live to see a day where it wasn't like that.
So,
I know, like,
I can
I'm
pull
not-
focus,
I'm
I can,
watching this. I
I
realize
can
I
warm
didn't
it
work
up,
this quite
I can
correctly.
cool
I need a year of studying to get all of that. I give myself a year because
Currently,
things does not retain in
This
my
is
head.
practice, I guess this is
Yeah.
practice.
my point was just
Over
that
time,
I'm
this is
shocked
practice.
that there
You
are
get- you-
so many
if you're
people
interested, you
who
get-
don't have to
you just have
struggle
it
with fear in our current
Well,
day and
let
age.
me-
Because when
you
I was
want me to
a
show
girl,
you?
No, too much. Don't bother mess up my head. You see, although I can't edit from that app that you show me, because you teach me that, then you teach me some. Don't bother mess up my head. Let this what you told me stay in my head for a few days until I master it. Then I could learn something else. I can't master something else and then you put something else in my head. That no works so for me.
So this is mine, so mine, yours is the back
that
trigger.
still exists. I'm just
So
so
the only
happy
one to
that
this
I've
mine
seen
is the
change.
back
I
trigger,
also
so
don't
you
want it to sound
focus.
like I think
And
So mine is what, the front trigger?
like the
No,
millennials
yours
and
is the
ones
back
that
trigger.
changed the game.
Mine is the
No,
back trigger.
I meant
Oh, so you
everyone
don't have
who
any
had
for your
it
pointer
was
finger?
still
Oh.
wrong. People
So
who've been
everything
murdered.
is here.
There are people who've been
At the
through so
side
much
here,
just
so-
to get to the point where we are today. There's still so much work to go, which is why it's so incredible that JoJo did what she did, because she is part of that movement.
So
She's
he
part of
has this one.
our world. To
Wait, yours is heavier than mine.
come to her. See that. Oh,
Yours is heavier than mine.
I am too. And so
Built
everyone
quality.
LGBTQ plus
Yeah.
community from all time who's ever been brave enough to come out in a time where it's scary,
Yep,
hard.
that's not what it is.
Except, wait, let me get this back centered.
They're all leading the way, and it's been really
So,
amazing to
yeah.
see in my lifetime that we're at a point where so many young people can
What's his
come
name
out
again?
and love
Gimbal.
and accepted and not told their
Yeah, I'm getting the
rotten
hang of it.
garbage
Gimbal,
would
gimbal,
hell,
gimbal.
because that's what I
Why they said 10 over here and 5 over here?
Alright, so it's saying that you have 10 minutes of record time, and you've got 5 minutes. and
So how did
20
it set?
sec-
You
30
set it?
seconds.
And I'm
No,
grateful
I
for
don't.
it.
It
So
just
it's
shows
still
when
so
you're
brave
recording.
and honorable of people to be able to
Never
be
used to
themselves
show
and come
before.
out now, because there is still bullying,
Well,
there
maybe
is still
you
people
gotta
who are
update or
hateful
something.
and not
Yeah, remember you
accepting
update
in the world
something.
today. Like,
All right,
obviously,
so-
that's still very much a
okay.
problem, but I'm
All
just happy it's getting better.